Happy Friday, friends. It is December 18th. This is your last day of in-person instruction. What better to do on your last day of EL but take a test? Right, just kidding, but it is test day. So today is Module 2, Unit 3, Lesson 14, which is our end of Unit 3 assessment. This is going to wrap up what we need to do for the rest of the quarter in EL, other than a little extra stuff you have next week. But our main EL is this. So here we go. Just a few reminders for you. First, next week, Monday and Tuesday are remote learning days. There is no live instruction. There are no meets after today until January 25th. January 25th, as of right now, is the day that we are returning to the building for those of us that are on Plan B rotations. On Monday and Tuesday for EL, you will need to finish any incomplete EL assignments. Make sure that you choose your own adventure writing is done and that it is turned in, marked complete in Google Classroom, and that you complete the ReadWorks assignment for each day as well as work in iStation each day. So for today, what you are going to do is you are going to complete the Google form that is attached in your Google Classroom, or you can click from your slides. Let's look at that quickly. You need to mark your homeroom teacher. You're going to have to put your name in there. We'll add that in. Number 1, it says a student's writing a story for a class. She needs to correct the punctuation and grammar usage mistakes in her story. Read the paragraph and then rewrite it with correct punctuation and grammar. Okay, so this is what you're writing, but you need to have periods, commas, quotation marks, everything in there that needs to be in there. So you're going to retype all that, or you can just copy and paste it where your answer is, but then you need to fix it and make it right. On number 2, choose the correct answer, which one's punctuated correctly. Number 3 and number 3A and 3B, in which sentences are the adjective orders correct. Okay, then you need to read this section. And then 4 says you've got to put a punctuation mark right there. Okay, what punctuation mark should go there? Number 5, what word will we use instead of swam? He swam down closer to take a look. Which one should it be? Okay, and then on this one, you're going to read these 2 sample student narratives. They are choose your own adventure narratives. The audience are students, teachers, and parents. The purpose is to entertain and teach the reader about how your expert animal will defend itself. And these 2 students wrote them, so read those. After you read those, you need to decide which one is more appropriate for a choose your own adventure narrative that students, teachers, and parents read, student 1 or student 2's. And explain why you chose whichever student. So it should say either student 1 and explain why you picked that one, or student 2 and explain why you picked that one. When you're done, press submit on your answer and you are good to go. Then come back to this document, and you're going to need to make sure you go in and you finish your choose your own adventure writing, adding anything else that it needs, any final corrections, give it one more read through. Do a really good job because this is a lot of grades on your report card, friends. Do your absolute best and mark that complete. Then, friends, you are good to go. Thank you.